Good morning. Okay, so last video before spring break. Let me focus here. Very out of focus. There it is. Okay, so I hope you guys are excited for spring break. Those of you that have continued to do the learning, I greatly appreciate it. Let's see if we can get everybody else learning, because just because schools are closing doesn't mean we don't do the work. Okay, dividing fractions. Easy. We don't divide. We multiply. Okay, so we get our magic wand, and I'm going to use, let's use pink today as our magic wand. We do keep, we do change, and we do flip. Now, I don't have the actual worksheet in front of me, so this is problem number 1, so you don't have to do problem number 1 on your worksheet, or 16, 17, 18, or 20, because those are the examples I'm doing for you today. So don't even bother doing these from your worksheet, because they're in your notes, or they're in the video. All right, so we keep the 4, and we have to change it to 4 over 1. Good. We change because we hate to divide, so we don't. We multiply. If I've given you the magic wand, use it. And we flip this guy right here, 2 over 1. And that's all you do. Multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and you are done. So straight, and you can't cross products this because of these 1s here. So 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. 8 over 1 is 8. Okay? Easy, right? No problems. Now, no homework over spring break except for anything that you haven't finished. Not just your online learning stuff, but anything that's on Aries needs to be finished. You have plenty of time. It's not like you don't have time. We're not having real class anymore. So, all right, let's do number 16. Number 16, let's get our pink magic wand out, and we keep, and we change, and we flip. But what do we have to do first? We have to make those mixed numbers improper fractions. I get very irritated. I wish they would just leave those there for you guys. So we have to times plus and times plus. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, so 5 over 2. Keep your denominator. Times, now I shouldn't have done that actually, because now you have to flip this one, but you guys can do it. Sorry, I kind of jumped ahead a step. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so 7 thirds. Flip it. 3 sevenths. Can we do cross products on this one? Nope, we cannot. So let's multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and you get 15 14ths. Leave it alone. Don't bother it. Don't work harder than you have to, right? Okay, so I shouldn't have done this step so soon. I should have brought the 7 thirds down, then flipped it. But anyhow, you guys are smart enough to get this. All right, number 17. Here we go. Times plus again. I'm going to do that first. Times plus, times plus. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, so 7 fourths. Divided by 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, 5 fourths. And now we do keep, change, flip. All right, so we keep, change, flip. I should have done that in a completely different color. Let me go over it in purple just so you can see it better. So keep 7 fourths, change this to 4 fifths, flip it. And hopefully you see right away what you can do. Cross off those 4s, right? And put a 1 and a 1. 7 and 5 you can't do anything with. So 7 times 1 is 7. 1 times 5 is 5, and you are done. Easy, right? No problems. Okay? This dividing fractions is super simple. All right, 2 more problems, and then I'm going to let you guys work on this. All right, so we got to do our times plus first. Times plus, times plus. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 2 is 23. 23 over 3 divided by 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 6 over 5. And we get our magic pen out of whatever color you choose. I'm going to go orange this time. Keep, change, flip. So 23 over 3 times 5, 6. Cannot do cross products on this one, unfortunately. So there's my dark blue. There it is. Okay. So 23 times 5, I don't know. Get out my handy dandy toolkit here. 23 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 115. 115 over 18. Leave it alone. Do not do anything with that. Just leave it. It's okay. Number 20 is a weird one. It talks about, let me look again. It's a word problem. It says Roberto needs some roofing tiles to be cut from a large tile. How many tiles that are each 14 3/8 inches in length can be cut from a larger piece of tile that is 100 5/8 inches long? Okay, so let's do roofing tiles here. So let me see if I can get this on here better. Okay, so same thing. Times plus, and 8 times 100, which shouldn't be a problem because 8 times 1 is 8, and add the 2 zeros, but we got to add 5. So it should be 805 over 5. Ooh, over 8. 8 times 100 is 800, plus 5, 805. Divided by 8 times 14, I don't know. Let me look it up. Handy dandy toolkit here. 14 times 8. 14 times 8 is 112, plus 3, 115 over 8. Okay. Now keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. 805 over 8, which is an ugly number, times, change it, 8 over 115. Okay, we can do cross products on this. We can, which is nice because it's a big, large, ugly number. So, cross off those 8s, put a 1 and a 1. These both end in 5, so you know 5 will go into both of those. I don't know how many times. So, well, 115 probably is on here. So 5 into 115 is 23. So 5 goes in here 23 times, and 5 goes in here. Let's see, let me just divide it over here. 5 into 805. So 5 into 8, 1, that's 5, 3, bring down your 0, 5 into 30, 6 times 5 is 30, bring down your 5, 5 into 5, 1 time. So we have 161. Who would have known? So it equals 161 over 23. Leave it alone. Don't try to do anything with that. Okay? So, any questions? I did the hardest one on there. You guys can do the rest. I did 5, so that's going to leave you guys with, I don't remember, about 14. Okay. We are Zooming today. Those of you that Zoom with me, hopefully everybody else will start Zooming with me. We won't be Zooming next week because it's spring break, but we'll pick it up after spring break. All right, very good. Questions, talk to me on Google Classroom or on email.